Here's our new home show stand going up. And coming down. It's going nice and smooth. That's how we like it at A1 Garage Doors. This is showing the timber finish. We're using steel and powder coating.